Come hang out with the family in Ponce Inlet, Florida. We started our trip on the water, of course, with Ponce Inlet Watersports, and we did a really cool dolphin and manatee tour. It was easily the highlight of our Daytona Beach trip because it offered that perfect unplugged family vibe where the girls scanned the horizon for dolphin fins and they even got a little turn at the captain's wheel. Their ticket booth is right by the lighthouse, and the tours typically run around 90 minutes to 2 hours, which is the total sweet spot for the 5 and 2-year-old. Most tours include a scenic stop at the sandbar or the famous disappearing island, and you can hunt for some shells.
Addie, what sound does a dolphin make?
Yeah, that's pretty good. My personal tip is to arrive a little bit early, and you can get ice cream at the Lighthouse ice cream spot right next door before you board and bring it on. It's the best way to kick off a day on the water. Ponce Inlet Lighthouse is an iconic beacon of this area overlooking the shore to help ships pass in the night. While the lighthouse history dates back to the 1800s, it's well worth a stroll through the adjoining museum to step back in time. If you're feeling energized, you can take the 203 steps to the top for really pretty views of the shore below. If you can't get enough marine life encounters, this place is wonderful for all ages. The Marine Science Center in Ponce Inlet just completed a massive $4 million renovation last summer, and it transformed the space for visitors and rehabbed animals. There's a great rehabilitation area outside too for lots of falcons and predatory birds, as well as tanks for the sea turtles. We had the opportunity to see a live feeding of seahorses, we gave shrimp bites to baby stingrays, and we learned more about the local ecosystems. Ever so kind to make sure that the girls had a great time in the touch tank, and it was really fun to all get a chance to play with the stingrays because they just come up and nibble your hands. We took home a fun souvenir for the holidays and wrapped up our Ponce Inlet adventure. Thanks so much for watching our Ponce Inlet video. I would love for you to stay in touch with Pure Wonder for all of our travels with family and friends.